Hello friends, glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you 5 simple life hacks for the car. When you dusted your car, you probably noticed that a lot of dust accumulated in the ventilation grills. You won't be able to clean this dust with a cloth, but this brush for cleaning blinds is perfect. First, use the brush to clean all the holes from dust. Then use the tongs side with a microfiber attachment. If you don't have a cup holder in your car, you don't need to just put the cup on the seat. Place some tape on the seat and place a cup inside. This will make the cup more stable and prevent your drink from spilling. If you want to clean the inside of your windshield, then fold a microfiber cloth in half and wrap it around your hand. Dampen a microfiber cloth with soapy water and wring it out well. Next, bend your wrist to resemble a cobra and use the top of your fingers to wipe the inside of the windshield. Wipe first from right to left, then from top to bottom. In this way, you need to clean the entire glass. Thanks to this method, the wrist is not strained and the hand gets tired less compared to the option when the palm is turned upward. Once the glass is clean, take a dry microfiber cloth and repeat all the movements. First from right to left, then from top to bottom. If you don't have a phone holder in your car, you can make one very quickly using a rubber band. Push it through the top of the vent and use a pen to pull the rubber band out from underneath. Now take your phone and thread it through the resulting loops. Now you have a great phone holder that won't leave marks on your dashboard or windshield. Make sure the air conditioning is turned off and you are good to go. If your car windows fog up from the inside, cat litter can help you solve this problem. Take a sock, make sure it is not holey, put the sock on the tape and fill it with cat litter. Then tie the sock. Cat litter is very absorbent. So when the car is locked, put the sock on the dashboard, and when driving, put it under the seat. This simple life hack will help remove moisture from your car and your car windows will no longer fog up. I hope you find some of these car life hacks useful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.